Hello friends, here is big pack of CDR file, that's mean a Corel files, but these are protected password in my app. Go to Google Play Store, write Sheri escape buy now for lifetime, and iPhone user can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Okay, here is 8006 plus CDR files with different like a t-shirt design or logo, vector, background, icons. For example, here is a logo and here is a religion files. Okay, and next is monster high, and you can put an t-shirt design or school bag design. Dream theater. Okay, logo, and here is cartoon CDR files. For example, I open this one, Tarzan. You see here is AI, APS, PNG and CDR file. Open this one in Corel Draw. Click here. First you need to unlock layer, sorry, and now you can change anything. Like I wanna change this color, red Tarzan. Okay, and simply you can change anything. Okay, his face color. Okay, now, and open any other file. Here is Tom and Jerry. These are APS file for Adobe Illustrator. Same thing is here in CDR. Unlock. Okay, now here is urban design for t-shirt. Okay, I hope these files are useful for you. Subscribe me, download app for password. Take care. Allah Hafiz.